Right, hello everyone. A bit of a different video today. Just going to do a little bit of a run through the group, just to show you guys sort of how many cars go missing and how many get posted to the group on a daily basis. Just gives you a bit of an insight into it, really. We are obviously a Facebook-based group, but we do like to use YouTube as another way of just getting things out there. Just another great platform to, put it all out there, really. So a lot of these, most of the ones I'm going to show you have all come up today, but some of them are, a few days old, obviously. So yeah, here we go. So at the top you get the announcements. That's an offer for a self-fit tracker that Scorpion Automotive do as a deal for Stolen Cars UK members. It's not a plug, it's just pinned to the top of the page, so yeah. So the first one, we've got a Range Rover Sport SVR stolen from Wood Green, North London. Pretty distinctable car, probably spot that coming. It's a nice colour. So yeah, I'm not going to go through the comments because the comments can get quite toxic. Or toxic's probably the wrong word, but some people get a little bit carried away. So yeah, I'm not going to delve into the comments too much because yeah, it's not worth it. So this one is a guy that's going around stealing parts off of abandoned vehicles. You go into this, I think there's like some messages and stuff where it shows. So yeah, he's like asking someone about some abandoned farms they went to. I don't really know the full story on this one because it didn't go up overly long ago. But yeah, it's pretty bad to think that someone's just going around nicking parts off of abandoned cars. I know a lot of people probably don't see the issue with it, but at the end of the day, they're not his. And that's what we're here for. So, it's what it is. Not going to go into that because I know there's a couple of bad comments on that one. So this, we get quite a lot of this. Can someone check to see if these cars were stolen? We get a lot of registrations put up, a lot of VIN numbers put up, which you can check on isitnick.com. Members are pretty good. We always try and get on top of that ourselves when they get posted, but I'm sure you can imagine we're not all just sat at a computer all day every day looking at the Facebook group, so sometimes we miss it, but the members are really good. They all tend to do it. As you can see, there's loads of people, so yeah, it's good. It's a mini digger. It's been found. They're trying to get it back to its owner. Obviously we are Stolen Cars UK, but it's more stolen vehicles. We don't mind different vehicles, boats, motorbikes, whatever, diggers, trucks, whatever, it doesn't matter. This one here, yeah, this is a Mark 1 Escort. Really nice car, really distinct. You're not gonna be driving that around without someone noticing it, but quite often a lot of these cars are stolen to order or stolen for parts, shipped abroad. I'm not, I don't know everything, but that's just a few of the different things that happen. This is a car that was stolen and then subsequently crashed. The video is a very short video. It's literally just them dragging the car. As you can see, it doesn't really show you anything or tell you anything. But yeah, it's a shame to see that. It's a stolen minibus. Get quite a lot of vans as well. There's that one again. We do tend to try and keep the posts all in one place and not have duplicates, but sometimes you have a few because you get a lot of people sharing. So this one, a bit difficult on this one because there's no number plate, no picture or anything, so it's quite difficult. I mean, not everyone takes pictures of their cars though, so but yeah, I'll probably drop him a message, or her a message, sorry, just to see if I can get a bit more information on that. Stolen Mercedes. A lot of these going missing. It's obviously got a pretty distinguishable dent on it. And Fiesta. See a lot of Fiestas. One of the most stolen, I'd say. See a lot of them. The STs, obviously, but even these, just the standard run-of-the-mill ones. Very desirable cars. Another one is they come around and just take the front ends off of them and take the parts they want off of them. So yeah, always grim to see that. This guy here, Johnny. Some people may or may not have seen this guy. If you're on the group, you've definitely seen him. He posts up quite a lot. People seem to get a little bit funny about it, but I don't really understand why, because at the end of the day, he's just trying to find the man that robbed him. This one, he basically flew over from Ireland to buy this car, done all the HPI checks on it and everything. But when he was driving it back to Ireland, he got back to the port, and yeah, it turned out the car was stolen after. I don't exactly know what happened. He was actually on a program on ITV. I don't know, a few days ago. So yeah, this guy picked him up from the airport, took him to see the car, he bought the car, and then yeah, when he got to the port, he got stopped, and they said it was a stolen vehicle. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but he posts up a bit. He posts up once every couple of weeks or so. He's just trying to keep it fresh and just trying to find this guy. So obviously, if you do have any information, feel free to contact me, contact the police, whatever. But yeah, you see, you get a lot of like laughing faces and stuff, and this again. But what harm's it doing? It's not doing any harm. Actually, want to remove any of them. I'll sort that later. So yeah, that's the guy. He's got a big scar, which I've been told that this is a skin graft, but I don't know. It just looks like a big scar. Pretty distinguishable though, so somebody knows him. This was one I was sent on Instagram, so I posted that up for the guy. This one here, quad bike and a little boy's go-kart. Some power tools. He's offering a £500 reward. Another one here, Audi RS3, FP67BYG. £5 reward for that one. Obviously, lovely car, but again, keyless. These are the ones that go missing. All the keyless cars are very, very sought after, very easy to steal for the professionals. Gone in 30 seconds. Pretty simple for them. Ford Focus. Not going to go through the comments on this one because there's some bad words in there, let's say, which I noticed a second ago, but I don't want to flash them around on YouTube or anything. Again, this is a slightly better post. It's got a few more pictures of it, but again, I don't think anyone's going to miss that car if they see it driving down the road. Even just from this one picture, you're not going to miss it, but sometimes it's good to have a few up. This again, checking a VIN. A few members have been on that. Van. This is potentially someone's livelihood. Well, it's a hire vehicle actually, but a lot of the time when vans get stolen or broken into, that's someone's livelihood. Another Ford there. BMW. Another van. It's been missing for a week and a half. Obviously been converted. Shame to see. Another Ford Kuga. Same BMW again. So they do slip through. This one again. Honda Civic EP3. Get a lot of these as well, like cars that are just randomly dumped in strange places. Stolen BMW. I did see a little bit about this one. Looks like they've got some CCTV, but we don't have the video, so I might contact and see if they do have a video, but I seem to remember they don't. Just took stills. But yeah, this one here, this has raised a good few opinions, because this particular car wasn't actually insured at the time. I don't know the reasons. You know, I don't need to know the reasons, but just because a car's not got insurance on it for whatever reason doesn't mean it's alright when it gets stolen. More BMWs. Let's have a look at this video. Quite often after videos are nothing and then it all happens. Imagine we're looking at this one. Got a guy coming in here. Simple as that. Just walks up, gets in, and away he goes. Sitting there for a while though. There he goes. Probably coding a key. And that's it. He's gone. But yeah, so another Ford. Another Ford. So yeah, I mean, you get the drift. There's a lot that goes on. A lot of different cars. But you see a lot of the main manufacturers being the most targeted. And yet no one does anything about it. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you don't mind this video. Let me know in the comments whether this is something you want to see. I don't mind doing it. Don't mind going through the group and just showing the recent stuff. Maybe I'll do it once a week or something. Let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, come over to Facebook, check us out. Just literally type in the search bar Stolen Cars UK. We'll be at the top of the page. We've got a page as well as a group. Would really mean a lot if you like the page and join the group. Also like this video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Be very much appreciated. This isn't something, you know, we don't get paid for this. We don't get any money out of this. We do this as a, you know, something we do on the side. We're not monetized on YouTube. It's nothing like that. I'm not doing it to become a millionaire. I'm just purely trying to help people. You know, so it would mean a lot if you could like the video, subscribe maybe, all that good stuff. But yeah, thanks very much, and yeah, see you in the next one.